Let's dive into an MIT workshop on co-designing complex systems right alongside an AI.
So, could you really build a custom simulator with an AI in just 2 days? Let's find out.
This is all about you and an AI designing together in a journey led by Dr. Kendrick Lim.
All right, your mission kicks off with a game, but this is way more than just a game. First up, you're thrown right into managing a pretty complex supply chain under a ton of pressure.
So once you've played it, the next step is to break the whole thing down.
How do you make sense of all that?
Well, you use a special framework to guide you.
It's a 4-step blueprint. Create, orchestrate, deploy, and then expand. Pretty straightforward, right? And the cool part, you're not doing this on your own. You get an AI co-designer.
You'll use tools like ChatGPT to help you prototype and generate code super fast. See, the whole point is to go from just playing a game to actually building your own.
This is about building simulators that are custom fit for your specific industry's challenges.
So what skills will you actually walk away with by the end of all this?
You'll be able to analyze dynamics, deconstruct flows, and even use Gen AI to adapt the game.
Basically, you go from being a player to being a creator of these complex, resilient systems.
Which leaves just one big question. What system would you build with your new AI partner?